Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and it is time to build our tiny jets. So let's get cracking. Friends, to be approved for this, you need to have created your tiny jet design. Get it on the screen and show me, and I'll let you get your parts. Of course, your design could look like this in SketchUp, or it could be the full design that we imported into Tinkercad 2. Once approved, you need to grab one large wing, one tail fin, and a fuselage. Take the tiny tail fin and put a little bit of glue inside it. I'm going to remind you once again, less is more on this glue because then it dries faster. So it's just a little bit of glue and then slide it in because it's not adjustable. It'll fit nice and snug just like that. You can keep working while it's drying. Your next thing you need to do is slide in your wing. Now the cool thing about these wings is they are adjustable forward and back. We don't know where the correct spot is, so you just get to choose and then use a little bit of tape. While you're testing, make sure you're using tiny bits of tape and only use one piece while you're finding the right location. The clay is in the same area. Pull off a little bit of clay. We do not know the right amount. We just attach it by sticking it on there gently, and then we test it as we keep learning by adding and removing some clay. Friends, you can give this a moment to dry, and you can get ready to watch the launching video. Friends, while you're waiting for it to dry, make sure you put your name on it so that we can get it the next day. And then, of course, friends, you can start watching the next video to learn how to fly it. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.